you've ever traveled abroad or lived outside the US, you might have noticed that Netflix doesn't offer the same shows and movies everywhere. American Netflix, in particular, has a massive library of content that's often not available in other countries. So how can you access it? The answer is simple, by using a VPN. So in this video, I'll show you how to watch American Netflix from anywhere in the world using the best Netflix VPNs for 2024 and beyond. So after testing dozens of VPNs, I've narrowed it down to the top two, NordVPN and ExpressVPN. So let's dive into the details and show you how to get started. Why is Netflix content different around the world? But before we dive into how to access American Netflix libraries, let's quickly discuss why Netflix shows different content in different countries. The reason is simple: licensing agreements. So Netflix doesn't own all the shows and movies that it streams. Instead, it signs agreements with studios, and these agreements are what determine where a particular piece of content can be shown. For example, a movie might be available in American Netflix, but not in the UK or Japan because Netflix doesn't have the rights to stream it in those countries. This is called geo-blocking, and it's a very common practice among streaming platforms. Now, I know that this can be frustrating, especially when you're paying for the service, but you don't get the full library. Now, that's where a VPN, or a virtual private network, comes into play. A VPN lets you change your virtual location by connecting to a server in another country. Now, what this does is this tricks Netflix into thinking that you're in a different location, like the US, and giving you access to the American Netflix library. How does a VPN help you access American Netflix? So, more specifically, how does a VPN actually allow you to access Netflix content from other countries? Well, it's pretty simple. So when you connect to a VPN, your internet traffic is routed through a server in a different country. The VPN hides your real IP address, and it assigns you one based on the location of the server that you're connected to. So for example, if you're in the UK, but you connect to a US server using a VPN, Netflix will think that you're in the US and will give you access to the American library. This allows you to bypass those geo-blocks and unlock content that's otherwise unavailable in the country that you're in. However, Netflix is constantly working to block VPN traffic, so it's important to choose a reliable and consistent VPN that can stay ahead of Netflix's restrictions. So that's why we've narrowed it down to two of the best VPNs for Netflix, NordVPN and ExpressVPN. So let's take a closer look at each one. So let's start with NordVPN, which is one of the most popular and reliable VPNs on the market. NordVPN is known for its ability to consistently bypass Netflix's geo-blocks and deliver high-speed streaming. Here's why it's a top choice for watching American Netflix. Some key features include a large server network. So NordVPN has over 5,000 servers in 60 countries, including hundreds of servers in the US. This gives you plenty of options to choose from when trying to access American Netflix. If one server gets blocked, simply switch to another, and you're good to go. Smart Play technology. NordVPN's Smart Play feature is designed specifically for streaming. It combines VPN and smart DNS technology to bypass geo restrictions on Netflix and other streaming service. The best part is that it's automatically enabled so that you don't have to configure anything. You also get blazing fast speeds, and speed is critical when streaming Netflix, especially in HD or 4K. NordVPN consistently ranks among the fastest VPNs, ensuring that you won't experience any buffering or lag while watching your favorite shows. Top-notch security. While NordVPN is great for streaming, it also excels in security. It uses AES 256 encryption to keep your data safe, and it has a strict no logs policy, meaning that none of your online activities are recorded. How to use NordVPN to watch American Netflix. Download and install NordVPN. Click the link down below in the description to get started with NordVPN. When you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this page right here, where currently they're running their Black Friday special. So as you can see, you can get up to 4 months extra, and they also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So just click on Get the Deal here, and then from here, you can go ahead and choose from one of NordVPN's 4 different plans. They've got the Basic, Standard, Ultimate, and Prime, and on all those plans, you can choose between a 2-year, 1-year, or 1-month plan. For this example, we'll select the 2-year plan, and we'll choose a standard plan as that's their most popular plan, and click buy now. And here at checkout for only $91.53, you can go ahead and get started with NordVPN for 2 full years, which is an incredible deal. Again, they also have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out, test it on your own Netflix account, and make sure that it works for your needs. Again, we'll leave a link down below in the description to get started. Next, just connect to a US server. So open up the NordVPN app and connect to a US server. NordVPN has servers in big cities like New York, Los Angeles, and Chicago, so you'll have plenty of options to choose from. And if one server doesn't work, simply disconnect and try another one. Next, start streaming. So once connected, open Netflix and you should have access to the American library. You can now search for exclusive US content like Sing 2 or Friends and other videos and start streaming. Now, if you run into any issues, don't worry. Sometimes Netflix blocks specific IP addresses, but NordVPN has plenty of servers so that you can always find one that works. So let's go ahead and see it in action. Since I am here in the States, I can't pretend to be somewhere else and then try to access the American Netflix library, or can I? So what we're gonna do, let's go ahead and put this to the test. We're gonna go ahead and open up NordVPN. And since I am here in the States, what we'll go ahead and do is we'll go ahead and connect somewhere outside of it, like the United Kingdom. So I'll go ahead and click on the United Kingdom, Manchester. It's currently finding the best server. It's currently connected. And now I'm in United Kingdom as far as Netflix is concerned. So before I go ahead and refresh this Netflix page, if I scroll down, we can go ahead and see that this is the top 10 movies in the US today. But if I come in here and I refresh this page, so go ahead and click Command R, now we can go ahead and see right here, top 10 TV shows in the UK today. So I have gone ahead and went to United Kingdom. Now we want to go back and access the American library. So instead, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and just click on this United States server right here. This one happens to be in Dallas. So I'll go ahead and click on that. It's finding the best server. It's connecting to Dallas. It shows that we're connected. So now if I come back here and refresh this page, now we can see that if we continue to scroll down, we're back to top 10 movies in the US today. So NordVPN did a great job at connecting to not only a United Kingdom server and accessing the Netflix library there, but also coming back to the American library as well. So again, if you want to get started with NordVPN, we'll leave a link for it down in the description below. Next up, we have ExpressVPN, which is widely regarded as one of the fastest VPNs available. So if speed is your top priority, especially for streaming Netflix in HD or 4K, then ExpressVPN is going to be an excellent choice to do that. Some of the key features of ExpressVPN include servers in 94 countries. So ExpressVPN has a massive network of servers spread across 94 plus countries, including numerous locations in the US. And this means that you'll always have access to a server that can unblock Netflix. They also have Media Streamer. So one of the standout features of ExpressVPN is its Media Streamer technology. This feature lets you unblock Netflix on devices that don't support VPNs, like smart TVs and gaming consoles. So it's perfect for watching Netflix on the big screen. Lightning fast speeds. Again, ExpressVPN is known for its incredible speed, making it ideal for streaming without buffering. So whether you're watching in HD or 4K, ExpressVPN ensures a smooth, high-quality streaming experience. It's also user-friendly. ExpressVPN's apps are super easy to use. Whether you're on a computer, smartphone, or even a router, the interface is extremely straightforward, and connecting to a US server is quick and simple. How to use ExpressVPN to watch American Netflix. The first thing you're going to want to do is click the link down below in the description to get started with the best deal possible with ExpressVPN. Now, when you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this page right here where you can see that you can get up to 3 months extra for free on a 12-month plan. Just click on Get ExpressVPN. And then from here, you can see that if you choose the 12-month plan, you get 3 months extra. But if you choose a 2-year plan, you can actually get 4 months free, which brings the effective cost down to $5.35 per month. Now, NordVPN also has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can go ahead, try it out, see if it works for you and the Netflix libraries that you want to access, and make your decision within 30 days. But again, if you want to get a hold of the best pricing possible, be sure to click the link down below in the description. Next, once you've downloaded the ExpressVPN app, just connect to a US server. So just open the app and select the US server. ExpressVPN has plenty of server options in the US, including locations in New York, Los Angeles, and Miami. Now, again, if one server doesn't work, simply switch to another one. Then start watching. Once connected, head over to Netflix and start browsing the American library. You'll have access to all the US exclusive shows and movies. Again, ExpressVPN is backed by their 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free and see if it works for you and your Netflix needs. So just like we did with NordVPN, let's go ahead and double check that ExpressVPN does as it says and connects to those American Netflix libraries. So again, I've got Netflix pulled up over here. Let's go ahead and open the ExpressVPN app. Now, right now I'm not connected to anything. So again, since I'm in the United States here, let's go ahead and connect to somewhere outside of the United States. Maybe we'll go ahead and choose something like Ireland, and we'll go ahead and click connect. We'll let ExpressVPN do its thing. Now it says that we're connected. So I'll come over here to Netflix, go ahead, click Command R to refresh it. And if we scroll down here, we can go ahead and see top 10 movies in Ireland today. So it effectively got us access to the Ireland Netflix library. Now let's bring it back to the United States. So we'll come over here to current location and we'll go ahead and select United States, click on the drop down. And as you can see, there are tons of different servers here in the United States. So again, if one's not working, you can just choose another one. We chose Dallas before. Let's go ahead and choose a different one now. We'll go ahead and choose Miami, click continue. Now ExpressVPN says we're connected, so let's go ahead and refresh Netflix and make sure that it says that we're in the United States now. Okay, if we go ahead and scroll on down, it says top 10 movies in the US today, so it in fact did bring us back to that American Netflix library, which is exactly what we wanted it to do. Troubleshooting common issues with Netflix and VPNs. While using a VPN to access Netflix is generally straightforward, there are a few common issues that you might run into. So here's how to troubleshoot them. Number one, Netflix detects the VPN. So sometimes Netflix may detect that you're using a VPN and block access to the US library. If this happens, simply disconnect from the VPN and connect to a different US server. Both NordVPN and ExpressVPN have multiple US servers, so you can always find one that works. Number two, slow streaming speeds. If you experience slow speeds while streaming, try switching to a server that's geographically closer to your real location. For example, if you're in Europe, connecting to a server on the US East Coast might give you a better speed than one on the West Coast, for example. Number three, device compatibility. So some devices like smart TVs and gaming consoles don't support VPN apps. In this case, you can either set up the VPN on your router or use ExpressVPN's media streamer feature to unblock Netflix without needing a VPN app on your device. So to wrap things up, watching American Netflix from anywhere in the world is easy when you have the right VPN. So whether you choose NordVPN for its reliability or ExpressVPN for its speed, you'll be able to unlock the full American Netflix library and enjoy your favorite shows and movies from anywhere. Again, both of these VPNs offer 30-day money-back guarantees, so you can try them out risk-free and find the one that works best for you. If you want to get started with NordVPN or ExpressVPN, we'll have links for both down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And in fact, you're going to get the best pricing possible by using those links. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from us. Here on this channel, we cover everything from VPNs and cybersecurity to how to stay safe online and detailed product comparisons, so be sure to subscribe for more. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.